paramecium slide that's been loaded onto our microscope. These are real digitized histology slides, and the microscope is something that the students will be able to use and learn about microscopy. We zoom in, we can look at, this is paramecium, everyone's favorite small organism, paramecium. You can even see the pieces of cilia surrounding the actual paramecia. And now, of course, we take advantage of digital media. So what should you be able to do if you've got a microscope? Annotate it. Take a look at what's going on the screen. We're going to be able to circle the nucleus of the cell. And now a student's able to learn cell structure. Each of our labs is fully loaded with a digital media player, and it contains media that we've uploaded from our platform, and as well, it contains media that professors, that instructors can upload themselves. We just took a snapshot, it's now saved into the media player. This is a basic microscopy lab. There are other labs in which we'll be able to prepare the slides for the microscope themselves. And of course, when you're done, this gets into the cost efficiency. You throw out the slide, and you can even throw out the microscope. We also teach lab safety, so for example, in some of our chemistry labs, we've got a Bunsen burner. When you throw out the Bunsen burner, it explodes. We've got here a lab manual. Each of our labs comes fully loaded with a digitized text. It has pictures in it. We're going to now infect an agar plate. If you take a look, the bacteria that we're using in this lab is E. coli. I'm not sure how many people are following what's going on in the UK, but needless to say, a first-year community college student is not going to have a chance to play with E. coli in his lab assignment. We've also got all different types of antibiotics that we can throw in. Here we've got erythromycin, penicillin, and of course we've got the ability to then use an incubator. How do we take advantage of the digital side? Instead of using 24 hours to incubate, we use 24 seconds. And I think you guys start to get the idea of where this is going. That we take advantage not just of what you would find in a wet lab, but also beyond just what you would find in a wet lab, we take advantage of digital media to make it interactive, to make it engaging, to do things for a student that he or she wouldn't necessarily be able to do in a traditional environment. Moving on from a slide perspective, we have a platform